Why, hello there. Were you would you like to see some Miku figures? That's what I'm trying to say. Do you want to see Miku figures today? Or do you just want to, leave the video and watch something else? You're probably gonna go watch YouTube shorts like a loser. I couldn't imagine watching YouTube shorts. How cringe. Anyways, we're unboxing figures today, so I hope that's why you're here. I mean, if you don't want to see the figures, I hope you're just here to see me, right? Because you guys love my content, right? Right? Right. So first up, we're gonna open the Sakura one, Sakura Miku 2019 version. This specifically is the renewal because I was too late to the original, so I got the renewal. For context, the reason I got her is because I wanted all the Teityo Miku figures. So I wanted oh wait, not all the Teityo Miku figures. That's a lot. That's a rabbit hole I don't want to go down. No, I wanted all the Sakura Teityo Miku figures from this specific series. So this series consists of 2019, 2020, and 2021. Did I just say 2020? I meant 2020. Sorry. 2021. Yeah, okay. So all of those are very nice and I like them all. So I got them all. This is the one that's gonna complete the set. They're all on the shelf except for this one, so, Though I have had this one for a while, I just waited so I could open her up on camera. Aren't you guys glad I did that? Now I have content to post. Finally. For real. Wow, she does not live up to the hype. Oh my gosh, she has so many scratches on her boots. She's a little dirty too, like, dang, bro. Her paint job, it's terrible. Look, look, look! I mean, I don't know what I expected. It's a prize figure. I don't know why I always have high hopes for these things. I should start having low expectations. Oh my god. Okay. They didn't do a good job with the pigtails either. They barely fit inside her big head. Real struggles, bro. Real struggles. This is so disappointing. She's so cute. I wish she just... I always have bad luck with prize figures. Like, seriously. I never get good prize figures. They always have scratches. They always have terrible paint jobs. They always have wonky faces. Seriously, why can't I just have luck with these things for once? Whatever. She's cute, I guess. Okay. Oh. Oh no. My lighting. I have like 3 light sources right now. They're all falling. They're all falling over. Her pigtails don't feel secure at all. That's because they barely fit into her big head. Her fat, big Vocaloid head. Sorry. I didn't mean to take out my anger on Hatsune Miku. I love Hatsune Miku. I love Hatsune Miku. her base looks good, you know, like all the others. Oh, never mind. There's a paint scratch on the base. It's not really a scratch, but it's obviously that some extra paint that's not supposed to be there got on the base. Seriously, what's up with my luck with these things? And where's the quality control? Like, seriously, I know it's a prize figure, but still. This is why non-scale figures are the best type of figures, okay? No cap, okay? No lies. It's true. Nah, bro. Scale figures? Too expensive. Prize figures? Too ugly. Non-scale figures? Just right, man. Anyways. Where was I? Okay. Okay. Fit. Okay, good. Okay. Here she is. Now let's take a closer look. The figure itself is pretty nice. You know, as you already heard me talk about, the paint job for this one specifically isn't the best. There's a few scratches and a few things that just don't look right. Her pigtails don't fit in correctly, but overall, I think this is a really nice figure, and she's really cute. For a prize figure, she is one of the better ones, and that's really saying something about prize figures. So yeah, she's nice. I like her, okay? She's good. She's mid, okay? She's okay. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. Let's just move on to the next one. Remember when Miku was only 13? It's so crazy. She's like 16 now. Her actual canonical age. It's so funny. Anyways. Now that Miku is older than her own... Now that Miku is older than... I don't know what I was trying to say there. That was... I don't know what Miku's older than. I guess she's older than my anime figure collection. So yeah. This one was a gift from a friend. I wanted her, though. Her and 2021 are my favorite birthday Hatsune Miku figures. Not a big fan of whatever this one was, okay? Oh, 2019. That was 2019, I think. This one's 2020. And this is 2021. 2021 I really like. 2021 is nice. 2021. Great. Pop Idol. That's an interesting name for this one. I mean, I guess Miku is a pop idol, but I don't think there's that much about this figure that actually screams pop idol. Whatever that even means. I mean, she looks like a dessert. She looks like I could eat her. She looks like a birthday cake topper. Okay? She looks consumable. Pop idols do not look consumable. And if you do think they look consumable, then I think you're a cannibal. Okay? I don't think you're okay. Get a life. Anyways. Her base is cute. It's better than some of the other bases I've seen, definitely. And that's tape. That's tape. I'm gonna put back on there because one day I might get bored of this figure because I can already tell she's actually better than the other one. She already looks better. Yeah, she doesn't look too scratched up. I really like some of her details. This balloon. These balloons, these little stars they actually look great. This is actually a nice figure. She's beautiful. She's better than this monstrosity. Definitely. Okay. Dang, why are her pigtail things so long, bro? Look. And compare it to these little tiny, I don't want to take them out. Compared to this one's Miku pigtail holes in her head, these ones are way bigger, which I think is a good thing because it means it practically ensures that I can get the pigtails in. And it did. They're in. Great. Oh my god. Okay, sometimes the figures don't fit directly onto their bases, as you can see here. So, sometimes you just have to spread out the two pegs apart so they can actually fit into the base. Alright, let's take a closer look. Like I said, this figure is way better than Sakura Miku 2019. She already has way less paint scratches and way better sculpted parts. She's way prettier. Her details are way better. She's shiny. Her pigtails look nice. She looks just like the picture as well. Her facial expression is cute. There's no misprints in her face. She looks cute. She looks fine. I love her. She's amazing. She's great. She's beautiful. I rate her 10 out of 10. Nice figure. Now. Oh, wait. As you can see, that was Love Sailor, but give me a second. Okay, now we get to the great part. This figure I've been waiting for a long time. Ever since she was released for pre-order way back in like January or something, I don't remember. I fell in love with her. This by far is one of my favorite Miku designs for a prize figure. I mean, it looks great. It's such like a cute magical girl vibe. And you know, I love magical girls. At some point, I wanted to be one. That dream never came true. So, yeah, anime lies to you. Even if you're just some average girl, you're not gonna find a magical power-up ring that's gonna turn you into a cute, pretty princess. No, you gotta find that. You gotta work hard, okay? You're not gonna be cool. You're just gonna, I don't know what I'm saying. Anyways, where was I? Oh yes, this figure and how lovely it is. I rate this figure already, out of the box, not even out the box, 10 out of 10, yes. The design is just too good, too good. Though, like, you know, right after she was released, a bunch of fakes were made out of her. I think one day she might actually replace this thing as the most bootlegged figure. Ironically, I have the second most bootlegged figure. Stupid bunny Miku. I love her. But Army doesn't get the hype. Oh no. She's cute. Seriously? Is it because she's Easter themed? Is that it? Ooh. She's gorgeous. I don't think the camera will do her justice. She's wonderful. She's beautiful. She's amazing. Wow. Anyways. She looks great. Let's take a closer look. This Miku figure is actually wonderful, though I have spotted a few painting mistakes, and you know, after looking at her drawing versus the final product, I noticed a few missing details. I remember after seeing her painted, she didn't look as shaded as I thought she would have looked, and I thought her picture just looks better, but I was still gonna get her, of course. She's wonderful. Her design is still really cute. And I still rate her a 10 out of 10, even though there are some bad paint jobs and, you know, her pigtails are a little out of place. I mean, it's a prize figure. I don't know what you expected, and I don't know what I expected. She's amazing, okay? She's great. Now, I think I want to unbox the last two at the same time because they're part of the same series. Wow, Wonderland series. Okay, a little rant. Something people say about this series, you know, with the Rapunzel Miku, Cinderella, Snow White, yeah, and Thumbelina, the newly acquainted Thumbelina that I don't have, and Puss in Boots that hasn't come out yet. Speaking of Puss in Boots, the Puss in Boots: The Last Wish, great movie. Go see it now. Okay, this Wonderland series, a lot of people are like, these aren't characters in Wonderland. You know, there's Alice, there's the Mad Hatter, there's the smoking caterpillar, you know, the most iconic icons. But the thing is, it's just supposed to be based off of fairy tales. The series isn't actually based off of Wonderland. It's just like oh my god, Alexa needs to shut up. Fairy tales and Wonderland-esque things, like fairy tales. So these two figures aren't actually supposed to be characters from Wonderland. Besides, they can't really make Alice a part of the series since they already made an Alice figure in their artist masterpiece series. Is that what it's called? I don't know. This series, okay? This one. It's appearing on screen right now. And it's the Princess Alice version, and they can't really do it since they already did one. Unless they make it drastically different, but they just don't want duplicates of the same figure in their own brand. So yeah. I hope I got that misconception out of the way for you. So yeah. I want to save her for last because I like her slightly more. Oh my gosh, I can't talk today. Anyways. Okay. This is the first one in this series, Little Red Riding Hood. You know, cool, cute, I guess. Something about this series is that there's a lot of color variations of these figures. Taytay loves color variations for some reason, and like to make lots of color variations for their figures. Kinda weird, not gonna lie. Hey, what's that? Sorry, there's something on my finger. Oh my god. Why do they make tape like this? The tape is ripping. I can't believe the tape is ripping. Better. Okay. Her pigtails come attached already, which is unheard of with Miku figures. Oh my gosh, this Alexa needs to shut up. Anyways, time to get rid of this box. we hate boxes here. Okay? Sorry, I don't know what came over me. Maybe it was just how amazing this figure looks. Oh wait, the basket. Almost forgot. Maybe it's how amazing this figure looks. Not only is her outfit like actually really cute, the figure itself is actually really nice quality. I can tell they used mostly sculpted parts instead of using a bunch of paint, like some of their other figures. Looking at you, Sakura Miku. She actually looks great. I love her. Amazing sculpting details, actually. Wow. Cute. Great. Nice. Last but not least, the holy grail of this trinity. Actually, not really. This is the holy grail of this trinity. I'm gonna be real. I'm gonna be real for you. But I guess this one could be a second holy grail. Actually, technically, they're all holy grails. Except for Sakura Miku. Like, oh my gosh, she didn't have to be so bad, man. I'm kidding. She's good. She's nice. She's okay. Don't know what I was trying to do there. She's amazing. Wow. This is some weird plastic packaging that they chose. Guess they needed some extra protection for those crane games, man. They don't want her to be absolutely destroyed by the time someone puts their hands on her from the crane games. Alright. She's heavy. Oh my gosh, she's heavy. And her pillow has texture? Oh, she's already a 10 out of 10. She's not even put together. Oh, she's not even put together. Oh no, she's probably gonna have some of those terrible ponytail things where I can't even fit the ponytails in. Or pigtails? Pigtails? Ponytails? Whatever, okay? It doesn't matter. Oh crap. Great. Okay. Well, I guess my camera doesn't like it when I throw boxes. Oh well. I heard people having a lot of trouble getting the pigtails in whenever I read any reviews for this figure, but so far it's been kind of easy. The first one slid right in. Hopefully, second one does too. Oh my god, they weren't lying about those pigtails. Oh my gosh. That was terrible. I think that's in. Yeah, okay. great figure, okay? So, let's take a closer look. The figure herself, she looks absolutely amazing. Her details are great. The little details on the pillow are so amazing. The vines look amazing. The folds and details on the dress look great. I think I just spotted some glue. Don't like the exposed glue. The face is so cute and amazing. Of course, I love the details on Teiteo faces. As much as I don't want to say it, even 2019's face has great details. Her pigtails look great. Yes, one of them was hard to get in, but the other slid right in. The shoes are so cute. Everything about this figure is practically perfect. And I love the theme, you know, Sleeping Beauty, great. If you couldn't already tell, or if you didn't read the box. So yeah. I hope you enjoyed the video. Oh my gosh, my dogs are barking again. Not again, bro. Tiny! I'm gonna cry if these dogs continue to bark and ruin my video. I swear, they're not going to live to see another. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and yeah, comment down below which Miku figure out of all 5 of these is your favorite. And yeah, I'll see you next time.